Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're checking out the DJI RS Intelligent Tracking Module on the DJI RS4 Pro. It's a tiny $69 add-on, but it is really worth it. Let's find out. The module snaps on magnetically with the adapter mount. Super lightweight at just 19 grams. But keep in mind, once it's on, the RS4 port is disabled, so no camera control cable. A small trade-off for what I can do. Before using it, make sure your DJI RS4 Pro firmware is updated. Without the latest firmware, the module might not connected or track properly. Once updated, you're good to go. Here's where the magic happens. ActiveTrack, whether I'm moving side to side, orbiting or walking towards the camera, the RS4 Pro keeps me perfectly in frame. And check this out. Gestures control. Raise your hands to start tracking, wave to stop, all hands free. Perfect for solo creators like us. Honestly, for the price, this thing feels like a game changer. It turns your RS4 Pro into a near automatic tracking piece. So, should you buy the DJI RS Intelligent Tracking Module for your RS4 Pro? If you are shoot solo, do interviews, or want smooth tracking without a camera operator, then absolutely yes. For $69, it's a must-have. A quick shout out to the PanCube Mech wallet, the LensGo Smoke Go, and the KNF concept for the tripod. And of course, the Bento app. Use code BTRPHY. Thanks for supporting the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vlog. If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.